It's a rainy day today, December 17. We have already the rainy month. Usually December 17 or December and January is our rainy season. And it's a relief from the heat. We have this year like more than 4 months of heat, which is sometimes unbearable for the people. And plants also suffer as well. So before the rainy season came, I make sure that the ground is planted already, fully planted. There are spots there that are just newly planted with carabao grass, because this kind of grass will stop the other variety of grasses that are hard to maintain. And this kind of grass is look neat, especially when it is maintained and cut properly. So it's just about high tide, but this morning until 12 noon there's a good or it was very low tide, and according to the local farmers here, that it is very good to plant during low tide, because whatever you planted, it will bear fruits. Sneeze, excuse me. And so that's what we did today, this morning. Those flowers there we planted, I think November, last week on November. This one here, I think first week of November or last week of October. These are the kinds of flowers that can resist, that can withstand the heat, and they still grow, they don't die, even very little water. This area here of the carabao grass, it's also good to have carabao grass because the pathways is not very muddy, will not be very muddy. I think this is only 2 months, and it needs cutting now, but it's really growing very well. Look at the plant here. It is already overpowered by the carabao grass. I need to get that carabao grass out so this plant can breathe. So this plant here will bear very good yellow flowers, like this flower here. Okay, that's the kind of flower. I want to utilize the space by planting vegetable, that is red pepper, hot pepper. And over there, I think you can see the little stick. We just planted string beans, and there are rows there of pepper and tomatoes, and on the side there of the wall are flowers, and that green there lined up are vegetable, malunggay or horseradish, which is very common here in our place. Our house is not yet done, but we make it sure that the spouts are properly in place to drain the rainwater. So spot here, so that where the water comes out. The fence still needs finishing, but the carpenter cannot work because of the rain. So another spout here. This one here too. We have another drain pipe on that corner there. Hopefully this year coconuts also will revive their fruit bearing, because the coconut farmer are also struggling with the harvest. The harvest is really not good when we have long warm weather. All the plants, even coconuts, will also suffer. So hopefully they will bear more fruit after the season, rainy season. Okay, it's good to relax and just chill, especially it is our Christmas break, Christmas vacation. No work for more than 2 weeks. First time I experienced that in the Department of Education, which is good. Okay. Bye-bye for now. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.